Hi guys, another menu natin ngayon ay beans. Yan, sitaw with tausi, onion, saka pork belly. Yan, na-marinate ko na guys, yung pork belly, na-slice lang natin siya ng maliliit. Tapos, marinate natin siya ng light sauce, sugar, cornstarch. Yan, tapos may oil. And then, iti-fried lang muna natin. Then, set aside. Tapos, fried natin itong beans. Saka natin i-join yung pork belly. And then, yung sauce niya, ayan. Oyster sauce. May konting sugar, cornstarch. Yan, at konting light sauce. Yan ang pinaka-sauce niya, guys. So, magluto na tayo. So, guys, ito na yung ating beans. So, lagyan na natin yung sauce niya. Ayan.